Hi everyone, I am S. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at the SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the automata theory and the compiler design subject under the topic phases of compilation process. Now we are going to discuss with one example, position equal to initial plus rate into 60. In this expression, it involves several phases. First, the lexical analyzer breaks down into transformed into stream of tokens like um, ID. Position is the identifier. Equal to is the assignment operator. Then initial also identifier. Plus is the addition operator. Identification 3 as a rate, and int is the multiplication operator, and 60 as the integer literal. Then going to next analysis, syntax analysis. If the parser check if the sequence of tokens form a valid statement according to the programming language grammar. For example, it verifies that the assignment operator is in the correct position and that the expression on the right hand side is well formed. So it forms the syntax tree. Likewise, then going to the semantic analysis, here the it would check the semantic code meaning of the code is correct or not. If position, initial, and rate are declared as the variables of compatible types, and also ensure that multiplication is performed before addition according to the operator precedence rules. Then integer to real as the numerical literal. Then going to next part, code generator. It's an intermediate code generation. The non-optimized intermediate code, that means the semantically correct code into machine code or an intermediate representation. So assign as temp1 equal to integer to real, that means value of 60. Then temp2 as storing the value of identify 3 into uh, temp1. Then temp3 is the identify plus identification of 2 plus temp2. ID1 is assigned as temp3. Then going to the next code optimization, it's a optimized intermediate code, and it reduces the size or redundant code. So we assign as temp1 is the ID3 into 60, ID1 equal to ID2 plus temp1. There are non-optimized intermediate code into optimized intermediate code. Again, another one is code optimizer or code generator. It is the code generator translates the semantic correct code into machine code or an intermediate representation like assembly language. The phase would like involve the generating instructions to load the initial value and multiply the perform the multiplication and add the initials value and store the result in position. So move F identification 3 or 2 multiple R2 in 60 assigned as 60 into multiplied with the R2. Then move ID2 into R1, move R1 and ID1. Thank you.